Dry ആയിട്ടുള്ള dry flower dry.
Simonian's family. This
Okay.
is a family business. Here we produce wine from two types of grapes, type Harchi and
Okay.
type Areni. From type Harchi we have dry white wine, and from type Areni we have dry, semi-dry and semi-sweet wines. We have rosé also, but rosé we have only for selling, not for tasting.
Okay.
We produce fruit wines also from pomegranate, cherry, blackberry, peach, quince and raspberry. All of them are semi-sweet like dessert wine.
Okay.
We produce vodkas also, different flavors we have. Vodka from grapes, apricot, peach, apple and quince.
Okay.
Here 3-4 type is hospitality, you can choose and try. You prefer dry or sweet wine?
Yeah.
Sweet? My ear, yeah.
Yeah. Is okay, no problem. Try both. No problem.
Yeah. So if you want to try both, I will recommend start with white dry wine, then
Yeah.
semi-sweet red.
Okay.
Or you the same? I'm sorry.
Try
Or
it.
you want sweet? Sweet. Okay. That one is white dry. This is semi-sweet grape.
Semi-sweet grape.
With cheese and with bread, you can change your taste.
Yeah.
You should try the cheese after it.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll try lavash.
Nothing. Okay.
You want a sweet one?
Yeah.
This is semi-sweet grapes.
Yes, black grape. Yeah. Okay.
For you, I will recommend blackberry one.
Blackberry.
Would you like something from fruit wines? You can choose cherry, pomegranate, blackberry.
Hmm? Cherry. This one is cherry. Blackberry.
You want a cherry one?
Yeah. Yeah. Huh?
You want something else? You?
This one cherry, right?
Mm-hmm. Right.
This way.
Yeah, it's nice.
Would you like something else or it's done?
For you, it's okay.
ഇതാണടാ
So this is our storage part.
സ്റ്റോറേജ് ആക്കി
wine in the barrels made from local oak tree. The biggest one is 10 ton, it's the second one from that. One and a half year we keep wine in the barrel,
Okay.
then fill in the bottle.
Okay.
And once aging is continuing in the bottles. And here we have old wines, different ages, but the oldest wine in this factory is 29 years old.
29 year old.
It's the first production since 1990. Here we also have here you can see clay pots. We produce wine aged in a clay pot also.
Okay.
This is the traditional, the oldest way of winemaking and wine keeping process. Areni grapes type and wine in this village have 6,000 years old history. So in old times people keep wine in a clay pot, not in the barrel. Clay pots are
Clay pot,
underground. We call them karas.
Karas.
Clay pot means karas.
Karas.
Also 1.5 year we keep wine in a clay pot, then fill in the bottle. And they are closed hermetically with wax, with beeswax. There we have tools which help people to make oak barrels but in old times. Oak barrels are handmade from local oak tree. And handmade barrels we can use longer than the barrel which made with a machine or with new technology. And we have our own vineyard, 40 hectares. Each year we produce 250,000 bottles. And our productions 40% we export to Russia.
Russia, okay. So per day 2,000?
250,000.
250,000 per day.
Not
No.
day, year.
Year, okay.
They are meaning
Yeah. Billionaire, yeah. It's mostly exported to Russia.
Yeah,
Okay.
only Russia.
Only Russia, okay.
Do you have questions?
These are also like how many, like a month or year? 2 year or keeping?
It depends of
Depends of-
wine.
Okay.
Grapes wine also 1.5 years.
1.5 year.
3 months, 4 months. Fruit wines like 5 months.
So grape only maximum 1.5 years, right? Fruits maximum 3 to 5 months.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stronger with taste, with smells, and wine from oak barrels.
Okay. It's plastic.
I took 2 plastics.
Uh-huh.
It's
The glass is expensive, right?
Sleep. But not every day.
Yeah. Not addicted, right?
I take one once.
This is plastic.